Hello everyone, I am Liana and welcome back to our technique series that today we're gonna start a new one. We're gonna call it the ultimate technique drills. Alright, so if you did not watch if you're new to the channel and you did not watch the other ones, I did 3-4 series with the patterns in Hannon fingers exercises, and you're gonna find the link below. In this series, I'm gonna take one by one each Hannon at a time and play it in different way and show you how fun it is to practice Hannon. For me, Hannon is like a cardio. You go to gym and you don't necessarily need to actually learn how to walk, but you need to be fit. So this is what Hannon's means for me. This is what these fingers means for me, and I would recommend to anyone to go, if you are a beginner, about 5-7 minutes a day, or if you are an intermediate, definitely 10-12 minutes. If you are an advanced, definitely 15 minutes, every day, a little drill. It will not harm you. It will make your fingers stronger, and more agility and speed will come all along with these fun exercises. Initially, if they look boring, they're not. Believe me, they're not if you know how to do it. So that's why I created this series. You will have it many example in how to practice. So as I said before, I'm gonna take one by one and play it in different ways. That doesn't mean if you are like on number 3 to not practice how I said in number 2, or if you are number 10 and to not practice number 1 or number 3 the same as I'm doing it in number 10. So I'm gonna do this to not be boring and say and get one pattern through 10 or 20 ways that I'm planning to do it right now. So let's get started and let's get fit and let's have fun with Hannon. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to our part 1, ultimate technique drills, Hannon exercises, how to practice and have fun with Hannon. So in the other, as I said before, you have the links for the patterns in the description. So let's get started. Exercise number 1. So exercise number 1, first of all, we're gonna start doing using the accent way, right? So we're gonna give an accent on the first one and then on the 5th one, okay? So from 4 in 4, every 4 keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and so on and so forth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Obviously, you're gonna go down in the same way. Accents from 4 in 4 keys. Every 5th key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth until you get here. You can go 2 octaves as well if you want to travel, so you can start over here, go 2 octaves and coming back on the same spot. Alright, what I want to show you that in the moment when we're doing different ways, we're not lifting the fingers as high as I said in the other series. So first I said, for each finger, because we need to learn how to lift the fingers. So right now we're gonna lift the finger actually only when you add that accent. Alright, we're gonna go right now, number 2. Number 2 in different ways how to apply the accents. This time we're gonna apply every other note. So again, for the pattern, check the videos that I already did. Link into the description. Alright, every other note, another accent. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, the same way. Obviously, you can do it slower if you need. Again, you have the pattern detail explained in the other video linked below. Alright, so right now just different accent from 2 into 1 and 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, and so on, so forth. Always check for the fluidity of the wrist. Always check to be relaxed, and definitely if you are too tense or it's too hard, go slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how slow you are. So as you know, I don't know who is listening to this video, but I hope you get it and everybody can take something out of it. I'm gonna go right now with a different accenting every other note, but starting with the second note. So I'm gonna go with Hanon number 3. So I'm always gonna accentuate the second note like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get the point? Yeah, it's a little like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Going down the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on and so forth. So again, maybe I'm gonna repeat myself, or maybe I was not as clear. I hope you get my English, my explanations. So this way, let's say the accents from 2 into, that doesn't mean that you should not practice. You can take number 1 and practice in all 3 ways that I just explained it. Like number 1, you can practice with the accent on every other second note, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, and so you can mix and match any way you want. You can play all of, just take number 1 if you are really a beginner and go through it many times in different way, and that it will help you a lot. In this video, I'm gonna go with one more way, and that way it will be, so we're gonna go to pattern number 4, and this is 2 notes legato, and actually it's called 2 notes slur if you would want, but this is really good. It's not going to be quite a 2 note slur as it's the vocabulary, musical vocabulary. You'll see. I want you to watch my wrist. This is really good for those that their wrists are kind of locked or a little cramped or a little too tense, like this thing really tense. You see my fingers, this is not good, so it's gotta be really okay. So it's gonna be like 2 note legato, 2 notes like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. You see my wrist, how they're bouncing? So you just go legato, staccato, legato, staccato, legato, staccato, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. How do you like it? So my arms are very relaxed. And when you go down, so you kind of using the arm weight when you go on this. If you need to go slow, you can go slow and, you know, and exaggerate the arm weight. Wrist down, up. Sorry, I was talking and I missed the note. That's a really good exercise again for those for 2-note slur to learn how to do it. You know, arm weight, jump up, arm weight, jump up. So, and then obviously you can take number 1 and do it the same. You can take number 3. Number 2, number 3, number 10, number whatever number you are working on it. If you like to have some, you know, more flexibility, do this exercise. Alright, so this today we did 4 ways, and in the next video I'm gonna go ahead with more ways to go. Alright, so thank you so much. I hope you enjoy it, and please comment below, because I really would like to know what is your level. Subscribe, like, you know, the YouTube algorithm, so to be shared with the world. And see you in the next one. Thank you.